What's up, everybody? Today we are solving question 1672 within LeetCode, Richest Wealth Customer. You are given an m times n integer grid accounts where accounts I, j is the amount of money the ith customer has in the jth bank. Return the wealth that the richest customer has. The customer's wealth is the amount of money they have in all their bank accounts. The richest customer is the customer that has the maximum wealth. Okay. So 123 is a bank, is a customer, and then this is the account, and this is all the money they have in each bank account. Okay, got it. So first off, let's go ahead and initialize. We're going to go ahead and iterate through each set of bank accounts, and then we're going to keep a track of the current customer's wealth. If that's larger than the maximum wealth, then we're going to go ahead and replace the maximum wealth and return maximum wealth at the end. So let's go ahead and net current wealth. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then let's go X in accounts. So this is going to iterate through each account. And then for I in accounts range accounts length of accounts, and then in range length X. So I is going to be iterating through each customer. J is going to be iterating through each bank account for a specific customer. And then X is going to give us the full value for each customer. So let's go ahead and see here. If our current wealth is equal to accounts I, J. So this is going to give us the 1, 2, and 3. So if current wealth is greater than max wealth, we're going to go ahead and replace max wealth with our current wealth. And then we're going to go ahead and set current wealth back to 0. And then let's see what else we have to do. I think that will be good. I think we can just return after that. Return max wealth. Let's see if that's right. Let's go ahead and see what we did wrong. Oh, there we go. I forgot to increase the value. Oh, never mind. Let's see here. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Forgot to set it back to 0 if it's not greater than current wealth. So else current wealth equals 0. There you go. That should go. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and comp this out. Iterate through counts. Iterate through customers. Iterate through accounts or bank values. Add up all bank account values for one customer. And then replace max value if current wealth is greater. Reset current wealth to 0. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and submit it, see if it passes all the test cases, which it does. Perfect. Son. All right, perfect. There you go. There you guys have it. Another question, another day. Go ahead and leave in the comments your guys' solution, or if you liked my solution, what I could have done better. Also, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like the video, and as well, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you guys can stay updated with my journey to become a LeetCode master. Once again, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.